This is my FireMax tablet. It's pretty new. It's like a year old. Great battery life, but it actually runs about as fast as my iPad Pro from 2016. So this is 2023, a year old, and this is 2016. It's 2024. It's 8 years old. I'd love to still use this iPad, which I still do, but the biggest thing is the battery is a goner, and I'll show you that it shows that it's only getting about 63% capacity of its battery health. So what I did was I plugged. This is not a suggestion or any advice. I'm just saying this is what I'm doing because I'm cheap. Instead of replacing the battery, um, I plugged a power bank to the side of this old iPad Pro, and it's currently charging while I use it. There's concerns about heat, as well as possible damage because I could move the power cable and break it. And again, heat issues of constantly charging it while using it. Uh, so this is I'm being cheap. I'm going to use it like this for a while because I do enjoy my iPad Pro more than using my Amazon Fire Max tablet. Um, Using it with this old power bank, which maybe gets like 13,000 milliamps. I was able to get 3 hours plus another hour, 4 hours plus another 2 hours. So about 6 to 7 hours of extra battery life on top of the current battery, which is at 60% capacity. I only get like 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours of battery usage with the original battery. So this is a nice change, so I can extend the battery. Not extend, but I don't have to. I'll have some portability with this power bank, and then what's it called? I don't always have to be constantly to a wired charger power outlet. So, anyways, that's my story. Uh, Again, I could get the battery replaced for around $100 something, I think, but that's the cost of the iPad itself, and that's probably one of the reasons why I what do you call it got the FireMax tablet to replace my iPad. But the I actually prefer using the iPad more than the FireMax tablet. So 8 year old tablet versus a 1 year old tablet. And I'm just going to live with using a power bank. I just need to figure a way to mount the power bank a better way so that it's not so obtrusive and cause problems. So, anyways, that's the end of my story. Again, this is not a suggestion, advice, or hack. This is just my little story about what I did. And hopefully it turns out okay because, again, there are some safety concerns about constantly having it plugged in and it's constantly charging, as well as the possibility of, because this is not attached well, it could come apart and something could break. So that's the thing. That's why I don't give advice about this. This is just my story about a man being cheap. Instead of replacing his battery, he's going to use this external power bank to allow him to have portable usage of his iPad Pro.